All right. So we are again trying to solve a problem which appeared in one of the JEE exams. And this problem is dealing with uh, two sets. Actually, one of the sets is given as that it's set of all ordered pairs A and B such that mod of A minus 5 is less than 1 and mod of B minus 5 is less than 1. While your set B is actually an equation which is given, wherein it's also again set of all ordered pairs A and B, wherein A and B is governed by this. So if you look at this, this is basically A and B are all real numbers. So if I just try to look at A closely, then A is actually set of all points wherein A minus 5 is less than 1. So let's try figuring out what is A is actually all about. If you're writing A minus 5 is less than 1, then you could write A minus 5 is between -1 to -1 to 1, actually. And then you could say that A is actually greater than uh, greater than 4 basically, and then this will be less than 6, right? And this is similarly B would also be between 4 and 6 because B is also having the same conditions. So this is what it is showing. It's so showing all those numbers wherein A is between 4 and 6. If I have got maybe this is the real number to real number line. And then if you're looking at 4 to 6, maybe 4 to 6 is somewhere over here. So 4 is over here, maybe, let's say, and then 6 is over here somewhere, right? And similarly, if I go here, this is 4, and then this might be 6. So A and B, if I take this A as my first coordinate and B as the second coordinate, right? So then 4 and 6, right? So you could see that all these points wherein we are looking at, okay, let me just move this up a little bit. So all these points wherein we can have this going this way, probably another one going this way, and this going this way, another one going this way. So, so all these points between this, actually, this is where all these points would be, right? This is what will be the case here. So all these points in this region will be this set A. Now, what is this set B? If I'm looking at set B, this is actually given as 4A minus 6 whole squared plus 9B minus 5 whole squared, and then less than equal to 36. If I divide by 36, then this will become A minus 6 whole squared upon 9 plus B minus 5 whole squared upon 4, and that is equal to 1. So this is looking like an equation of an ellipse whose center is actually at 6 and 5. So somewhere over here, 6 and 5, this is where the center of the ellipse is looking like. And then the major axis is actually 3 units. So A square is 9. So A is 3, right? So A is actually looking like it is going to be plus minus 3, right? So both the sides it has to go 3 units, right? And then B as well has to go, B square would be actually equal to 4. So B as well has to become plus minus 2 in a sense. So even this has to go 2 units up and down. So if I'm trying to draw an ellipse, then if I go 2 units down, this point is actually what, 6 and 5. So if you want to go 2 units down from here, then this will give you a point 3 somewhere over here, right? Let's say this is what is your point 3, and then if you go how many units up you want to go, again 2 units up, then you will be somewhere over here 7, 5, 6 and 7, right? Similarly, you go 3 units this way, which will be 9, probably somewhere over here, 9 comma 5, and then 3 units to the left of it, then you would be reaching the point 3 somewhere over here. So your ellipse is looking like this. This is how this ellipse is, how it could have been looking like. Okay, you may get an idea then whatever it is. So this is how it is looking like. So as you can see, all these points, all these points which are of this ellipse would be lying inside this. These are the real set of points A and B, while this would be lying inside this, right? So as you could see that all the points in set A would be actually falling under set B itself. So A is a subset of B, you could say. So this is what is your second option. So all you got to figure out is that where are those points gonna be, and then where are these points gonna be, and then whether they are gonna fall inside this. So all these points definitely will be under this ellipse itself. So that's the reason A would be a subset of B. So that's what is the answer of this question. If you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.